This is how to fix Microsoft Outlook is not working. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the most effective method. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your this PC, and here you have to just open your C drive. Now open the users folder here, and here you have to just click on your profile name folder to open it. Here you have to just click on the view tab at the top and then click on options. Now click on change folder and search option, and this type of the pop-up will open for you. Just click on the view tab, and now you have to just click on show hidden files and the folders and then click on apply and then OK. Once you're done, here you have to just click to open the app data folder. Click to open the local folder, and now open the Microsoft folder here. Here you have to just access the Outlook folder. Open this folder, and here you just need to delete the .ost files or the folders from here. It means that you have to just delete the file with the name and add .ost. You have to just right click on it and simply delete it from here. So once you delete it, you have to just try to again open your Outlook, and this time your problem will be fixed. Otherwise, you just need to again install your Microsoft Outlook, and this time your problem will be fixed 100%. So I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.